Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to review this GoldexPlus. So this is an honest review, alright? So we're going to critique this project since there are some people that are asking me this. So of course, if you want to learn more about GoldexPlus, okay, again, this is an honest review. Please watch this video first before doing any other stuff, okay? So GoldexPlus is like a card wherein you can use it as a hot or cold wallet. It says it has 6 different network support. Okay, it has a live support, and it also have the NFC card synchronization. Okay, so this is what we see on GoldexPlus. So you'll be able to store your assets. There's a privacy. There's also convenience, right? And then there's basically an app that you can use, all right? But based on what I see even right now, the app is still not yet shown. Okay, so the Telegram group as well are not accessible anyway. So the wallet is around $100. Okay, so you can order here, and then of course, actually, if you go into register, you need to fill up a form. All right, so GoldexPlus are actually supporting 6 different networks like Binance Smart Chain, like Ethereum, which is ERC, Polygon, Phantom, Heck, and Foster. All right, so it says it's $99, and yep, this is where you can order this card as well. And what are the benefits that they are saying? Okay, the user will have the G Plus physical card as the hot wallet. The user is authorized to design the card and use the wallet both as a cold and hot wallet. That you have like a private key, so that pretty much make it safe. And in addition, okay, if you forget the designated password, you can have an access to your account from your smartphone using the NFC infrastructure. So this one, okay, you do not need to know the password. If you forgot it, you're just going to use this NFC. So they are like addressing this card is like when you have this card, okay, you can use it as your wallet. So more like if you are using Trezor, you are using what they call that ledger, then definitely you might be interested on GoldexPlus. All right, so they also have a packages here. So these are the first one. Okay, so you can earn up to 189 BUSD. So you just need to stake this portion, right? Like BUSD of GDLX, and then you'll be making a staking rewards here. All right, so yeah, this is how it works. So the higher that you have in stake, okay, the much more bigger you can get, to be honest. All right, so let's now go forward into this one. So they do also have a farm gift. So let's say you have a much more bigger version, a higher version of Goldex, then you can get like a reimbursement. So technically this one is free, this one is free. So yeah, of course the APYs are getting higher, much depending on what card you are using, but definitely, yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so this is what I see into this project. Okay, again, this is an honest review. Okay, what I see on GoldexPlus is that it already, you can now order this one, but you know, if you're going to click the Telegram or whatever it is, you're in here, but it's like you can't join this. Yeah, already I actually joined here, but it's like if we're seeing here, it's not actually what do you call that, shown yet. So this is more likely just like a card, like a presentation. All right. So I do appreciate this. What they call that? This that you guys already license if this is even legitimate. But it's like what do you call that? It's a lot more better if like there is like an app store, like, right, or like a some sort of like a play store or anything that they could uh, add in here, because it's like I think in my case, if I'm going to start a project, I'm going to what do you call that, I'm going to focus on the phone first, like developing the app, and then you put the card after, right? But I mean, anyway, I do think this card you will be making money as well because of the staking, and also there are some privileges that you can get. So actually, if we're going to put in here, these privileges that you will get here are the same privileges that you will get from Crypto.com. Alright, the only difference is that they already have the app, everything is complete, everything is in Singapore. You already researched this, but I think GoldexPlus should work on like making themselves more transparent in terms of like, okay, this is the LLC, where is it registered, who are the team behind this one, who are the investors or anything, because that's how we be able to like build trust to people. Okay, so again, an honest review, GoldexPlus, I believe it is a good card, but it's like, for me, I hope they will attend to our concerns, like having this documentations, right? What they call that, have like a sneak peek into the app, because I was not able to find actually it. So that's something that they should take in mind as well. All right. So again, this is Dance Pro Software LLC. So also they don't have an audit yet. That's also what I see. So again, guys, honest review about GoldexPlus. Up to you if you're going to buy, but of course, if you're going to buy, just click this one. Type in your name, last name, username, email address, and also the card address, and then just register immediately. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Again, this is Crypto Addict, and see you on the next one.